Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another Amazon unboxing. Before I get into this, I'm just going to apologize if I sound a little nasally. I have got a head cold. No, I don't have the Rona. I don't have the vid. I just have a winter head cold. Weather here has been, one day it's in the 50s, the next day it's in the teens, the next day it's back up in the 60s. So I have caught a head cold. So if I sound a little crappy, well, it's because I feel a little crappy. So, and also, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I do hope that y'all are enjoying these little videos as much as I enjoy making them. So, with that being said, in this box, I have got several canvases that I have purchased, and all of them are less than $10. And I'm just going to show you. I've already opened the box because there was a few things in here that were not channel related that I got out. But everything that's in here has got something to do with diamond painting. And I'm just going to open the box and let y'all see that there are several things in here. But I'm not going to open all of them in this video. I'm going to make several different videos. So I am just going to take one out, set the box to the side, and we will get into it. Now, I've not opened any of these, so I don't know what the contents look like or the canvases. I just opened the box, like I said, and grabbed out what was not channel related, and that's it. So, let's get into this one. Now, as you can see, this is a 30 by 40. And let's see. I've got some notes over here on how much each one of these were. So, let's just go ahead and get this open. And this is poured glue. So I am going to roll it the other way to try to straighten it up just a little. Alright, so this one, and I know my lighting sucks as always, but this is an owl. And it is a 30 by 40. Poured glue. It is round. And I gave, this one was $4.88. Okay? And I don't think he looks bad at all. So, it does have the schematic on the top right, or top left and bottom right. He's very colorful. Let's see. I hope y'all can see this. I'm going to bring y'all down just a little. Alright, so it comes with just your average toolkit. Has a little square of pink wax, a few little baggies, looks like maybe 3, a green boat, and a pink pen. No multi-place or anything. Just your average little toolkit. Now, it does have the serial number of the canvas on the bags, but the bags do not have the DMC numbers on it, but the schematic does. And there are 30 colors, and they have a mixture of numbers, letters, and I see one symbol. So, let's look at the drills real quick. I hope everybody's having a great day. Like I said, I hope y'all are enjoying these little videos. Because I have had fun making them. And it's been kind of fun looking for these canvases on Amazon. Alright, so far, just looking, I don't see any issues with the drills. So, here's the first one. I hope y'all can see. Some grays, some browns, purple, pink and green, some reds and oranges, some blues. Like I said, this is pretty colorful, and there are 30 colors. Hope y'all can see that. And green, some browns, more blues, yellows. Very good looking. I mean, they're not. There's a hitchhiker. I mean, they don't look bad. Alright. And we'll just come down a little closer. And the canvas itself is a thick canvas. Pretty sticky. And as far as I can see, the canvas itself, if my phone will focus, but the canvas itself doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not, I can see, it looks pretty clear. Doesn't look bad at all. But yeah. And like I said, it's got the thumbnail up here. It's got the size, which is a 30 by 40. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Bring you back up. I think he's pretty cute. He's got like a flower right here. He's got a flower on top of his head, if you can see. Maybe y'all can see better. I know there's a glare on the plastic. But yeah, I think he looks pretty good. So, hopefully, I don't think it's going to take long to do this one. It is white confettied, but not too bad. But all in all, I don't think it was a bad purchase. Like I said, it was $4.88, so I don't think that's too bad at all. So, anyway, this is what you get with this kit. And I am going to go ahead and wrap this little video up. And until my next video, I hope everybody has a great day. And leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And give me a thumbs up if you're liking these kinds of videos. And I will see everybody in my next video. Bye, y'all.